Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I'll be showing you exactly how I made the beef biryani that you see on the video. I loved it so much. It was super delicious and it's so simple to make it. Anyone can do it, and I would not like to waste more time. Let's get into the recipe. So I start off by marinating the beef. Like you can see, it is a half kg beef and I have cut it into cubes, and these are the spices that I'll be using to marinate. I'll be using vinegar, beef masala, salt to taste, curry powder, garam masala, and soy sauce. Of course, you can add more spices if you like, or you can use less spices depending on your taste and how you prefer your beef to be. So I just added all the spices to the meat, and then I'm just going to add maziwa mala 1 cup. You can use plain yogurt if you do not have maziwa mala, and I'm just going to give that a very good mix. And before doing that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I just crushed ginger and garlic. Also, I'm adding my vegetables. I have tomatoes and capsicum. You can blend the veggies if you like, and then add the mixture to the meat, and then mix that with a mwiko so that the spices can come together. So after adding everything, you're just going to mix that with a mwiko so that the spices can come together. And then after that, just cover the sufuria and put it aside. Let it marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour as you go ahead with the other steps. So the idea is to deep fry these onions to become golden brown. And we are going to use the onions for the beef and also in the rice. And after they become golden brown, set them aside. Next, I will be boiling the rice, and I won't let it cook fully at this point. You can see the water has drained, but the rice is not yet cooked. So in another sufuria, put the rice. Remember, it's not fully cooked, it's half cooked. So just put the rice into the sufuria like that. 1 layer first. Next, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Remember, I'm using the oil that I've just deep fried the onions in. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of that, and then next I'm just going to add my orange food color. So that is the first layer, but I'm not done yet. I'm just going to add the onions after adding the food color. Just a little bit of the onions, not all the deep fried onions. Yeah, like that. Then I add another layer of rice. And I'm going to repeat the same process. Add the rice, add food color, some oil and onions. And then after that, guys, I just add the final layer of rice, and I'm just going to add and out add any more food color or onions. I'm just going to add a layer of rice and then spread it out. Then after that, guys, cover the sufuria with aluminium foil and then put the sufuria lid and then leave it to cook on low flame for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. So guys, I just wanted to show you how I deep fried the potatoes that I will be adding to the beef, and I'm using just a few pieces of potatoes. You don't have to use too much of them, and I have applied orange food color to them, and the reason why I deep fried the potatoes is so that the color can stick and pop. And then after that, it's been like an hour and the meat has been marinating for all that time, so it's now time to cook it on low flame. Just place it on low flame and let it cook slowly. So guys, now it's time to add the onions that have remained after adding to the rice, and just add them to the beef like that. Then add the potatoes. Then give that a very good mix and allow it to cook on low flame until the potatoes are fully cooked. And this is how the rice is looking like after 15 minutes. It's ready. Now just give it a good mix, guys. Just you can see how colorful it looks. I loved it so much. Yeah, just give that a very good mix and it's ready, looking so colorful and so lovely. Yeah, and the beef is ready, like you can see. The potatoes are fully cooked, everything looks nice, the oil has separated from the beef, and that's how I know it's ready. So it's now time to serve the biryani. So guys, like you can see, it was a very simple recipe. It's something that you can try and enjoy it with your families. And guys, I'd like to thank you for coming so far. If you have watched the video till the end, I'm so humbled. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.